Hello everyone. This is a slow project I'm working on, but this is that SuperPro 7000. If you notice, this has a broken connector. See that connector right there? Oh, it's solid right there. I just did a replacement on another one because the guy broke both sides. These are real fragile connectors. I do have a custom-made replacement connector. Since the opines are no longer manufactured. These do sit a bit higher, and the pins have to be taken off. So key alignment is to get them perfectly centered is a bit of an issue, but they do sit a little bit higher, about 3 or 4 millimeters higher. But that's not really a problem. It's not an issue. If you have a broken connector and you're getting poor connections, you gotta get something in there to get the connection working. So these work just fine. I will be doing these connectors here, but they're a pain in the rear when you don't have them aligned or a way to align them. So I made a tool. Cotty wants to be in the picture. Her nose is healing. See your nose? She's not going to have that big of a scar. Straight George made you ugly, huh? So, let's open up this blue bag. Can you tell who it's from? JLCBCB. Not sponsored. Just, they make some quality boards, and for the price, you really can't beat it. So these are small boards. Let's open it up. Sometimes the bags just come right open. Sometimes you got to use a... Ugh. Do you think go thicker plastic on these? That's a bit tight. Usually you just crack them at the corner. I see. That's the problem. I have big holes in the board, so they're, when they vacuum sealed it, it kind of like glued them. Jeez. Definitely, if I ever order these again, or order anything with big holes, request paper on the front and back. She's, look at this. Oh, you can't see it. He's licking my arm to death. Ugh. That's a tough one. Holy crap, JLCPCB. Just don't want to scratch the board. Yeah, definitely we'll have to tell them to put paper on the top and bottom. There we go. Okay. These are an alignment fixture and opening test. So, yeah, see, she's just going to town right there. Look at her. But Then this one is the EXGX converter alignment fixture to get them perfectly aligned. She's just working her way on my arm. That gets annoying after a while. But this is the universal adapter or converter to go from EX, these small connectors, to GX, which are these big connectors. Works great so far. There's about 5 in the wild, so I have more sockets inbound and working on version 2 of that board. So far, everybody's been liking them, but yeah, this will be cool. Be a little alignment fixture to plug in, have everything all aligned, hit it with the soldering iron, no problem. You know, I wish the company here could adjust the alignment pins, but that's remake the mold time, and that's very, very expensive. Extending the mold to 100 pins, that wasn't too expensive. That was nothing. They just did it for me. So I wish they could make them shorter, the original size, but a little taller. It's a acceptable replacement. So get them lined up perfectly, and we can save more of these older SuperPro 7000s. So when I get these replaced, I will make an updated video. So, does Cotty want cookies? Oh, I bet you she does. Yes, Cotty wants cookies. Well, have a good day.